Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing Happy Family Fireworks 4-inch Magnum shells. These are 60-gram canister shells, as you can see right here. Well, it's very glittery. So these are labeled with number and effect. It comes with 4 standard fiberglass tubes. I cut this open because I saw red and I wanted to know if there was a wrap underneath it, but it's actually not. But yeah, I love what they did with the artwork, mimicking the master shells. Great marketing. But yeah, so in the back there are these photos. These could be stock images. Not sure if they take them themselves, but yeah, Magnum shells. We got these over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. I'm excited to shoot these off. A lot of people have been waiting to see what these Happy Family shells do. We'll see you guys in a bit. If you guys like this, just like the video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you guys. These hit hard. Still dripping. Holy shit. Still dripping. Alright, I love this. Holy shit. Wow. Look at that. Dude, they're hitting the ground. Check that out. It's still up there. Talk about hang time. These Happy Family shells.